Hello guys, welcome back to Tech with Waqar, and today in this video we will discuss about the HTML introduction. We will discuss about what is HTML and what is the basic syntax of HTML, and then we will talk about the tools that would be used by us in this course. So let's get started. Okay, let's start with the introduction of HTML. First of all, I would like to tell you something about HTML, that HTML does not provide any functionality alone, but it plays an essential role in the website. And when it works with CSS and JavaScript, it plays very important role. So let's talk about what is HTML. You can read this whole stuff, but I will tell you only two things. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Languages. HTML is made up of small building blocks that are called tags, and they are surrounded with greater than and less than sign, and then they are called elements. Every document of HTML is made up of elements. You can see in the given example that every element is surrounded with greater than and less than sign. You can see on the top, here is doc type HTML. That tells the browser it is an HTML document, and beneath this you can see it is starting tag of HTML, and this tells the browser from here HTML is started. And then we have starting and closing head tag, and in the head tag we have title tag. You can see page title is written on the top of the browser, and you can see it is not appearing in the web page. Instead it is appearing on the top of page. It tells the browser that what is this all about. And then we have our body tag, and in the body tag we write everything that we want to appear on the website. In HTML we have three main parts. First of all, its head, and then its body, and then we have its title. These are the essential part. Whatever your page want to build, you have to involve these things in them. Okay, let's talk about how your page will look like. So here we have an example of HTML tree. I didn't talk about HTML tree in this video. Let me tell you that HTML tree is the basic structure of the website in the HTML. Now on the top you can see doc type HTML, and then we have HTML closing and opening tag on the top and on the bottom, and then we have header. In header we have title, and then we have body, and all the essential part that plays an important role in the website in the body. Okay, now let's talk about what tools will we use in making this website. So first of all, we should have a browser, and second, we should have a text editor. So I would use Google Chrome as my browser, and a text editor VS Code will be used by me, but in some of my next video I will use Notepad, which is come built in with Windows, and then I will tell you how you can download VS Code and configure it, and follow along the coming tutorials with me. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. See you soon in the next one.
Wake up, early mornings, late nights, hopping on a different flight. What's the meaning of life, ayy? Wake up, same-ish, different day. Make a wish, call it pray. Am I sick, am I okay, ayy? Stay up, late nights, still